tendon pain can be debilitating, but what if you've tried ice, medication, steroid injections, and you're still in pain?
They've gave me shots in my hip to try to, like steroids to make it calm down. Nothing's working.
Connie Fisher is tired of the hip pain she's been having for some time. She hopes today's procedure will eliminate that.
I'm hoping so I can walk. Without hurting or without having to stop. I played miniature golf. I have to stop and sit because it hurts that bad.
If you want, you can leave it on the chair.
At Mercy Medical Center, she is about to undergo a percutaneous needle tenotomy.
We do have to expose the small area of your hip.
Dr. Nicholas Anastasio is performing the procedure.
She was having chronic pain and dysfunction with her hip tendon because of years of having tendonitis and bursitis on her hip. Unfortunately, over time, those repeated bouts of inflammation can lead to scar tissue formation in the tendon, and then the tendon gets stuck in this chronic state where it's not healing properly. What we're doing is a small surgery on the tendon. Now, obviously, open surgery creates scar tissue, so that would be counterproductive for what we're trying to achieve. So we do the same surgery essentially with a needle under ultrasound so that it can be done in the office without the need for general anesthesia.
The needle stimulates the tendon's ability to heal and improve pain and function. Percutaneous tenotomy is also used for chronic tennis or golfer's elbow, for Achilles or rotator cuff tendonitis, and tendon pain in the knees. The procedure is done in about 15 minutes. So how do you feel?
I feel okay, believe it or not. I'm not hurting right this minute. That's wonderful.
Dr. Anastasio says it generally takes about 3 months for most patients to achieve little or no pain, and they can return to their normal activities in about a week's time.